Hi guys, this is Kelly from Circle of Joy Travel Adventures, and I just wanted to come on here today to tell you about my 3 favorite tips about transportation. But before I can do that, make sure you like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. So, but before we get to that, do you see the picture? So if you guys watch my channel, you know that I'm also a really big fan of Up. And I have the Up house behind me. And also I'm wearing my really cute Up ears today. So excited. So my 3 favorite transportation tips because sometimes transportation can be very confusing in Disney World. You think you could go one place and then you get there and you just can't. But don't worry, I am here for you guys and I will definitely help you get around Disney World easier. So my first tip is if you want to go to Disney Springs. Now, Disney Springs is a place where they have a lot of restaurants and a lot of shops, and it's free to go there. Obviously, if you have to go shopping, you know, you're gonna have to spend money. Like the shopping part isn't free, but there's no admission to get in there, and that's probably like a really good activity to do. On your non-park days is to go, you know, see what's going on in Disney Springs. They do have a lot of other activities, like you can take a balloon ride, you could go see Cirque du Soleil, you could go to the Epcot, and then they have like different shows that are there. But that is a video for another day. So going back to Disney Springs. So if you're staying at a hotel, you can take a hotel bus to Disney Springs. But the tricky part is if you are at one of the parks, what you need to do is you have to take a bus back to a resort. And then you can go to Disney Springs. You will not be able to go from the Magic Kingdom or Epcot or Animal Kingdom or Hollywood Studios directly to Disney Springs. So that is tip number 1. Now, tip number 2. Tip number 2. If you are staying at the Yacht and Beach Club, the Boardwalk, Swan and Dolphin, and also the Swan and Dolphin Reserve, you can use the friendship boats to get you to Epcot and Hollywood Studios. And this is like a little boat ride that it's so nice and so peaceful, and it just takes you along to Epcot and Hollywood Studios. Now, if you are staying at the Swan Reserve, you are going to have to cross the street to go over to the Swan and Dolphin, or depending on what side you are, it may be easier for you to go over to the Yacht Club dock and take the boat from there. But both ways, it's just such a nice little boat ride that you could go and do. And then like the other transportation tip that I have for you today is, which would be transportation tip number 3 is if you are going to a water park, which means Lagoon, which is one of the water parks, what you're gonna need to do is take a bus to Disney Springs. And then from Disney Springs, you're gonna take another bus to get to Typhoon Lagoon. Now, Blizzard Beach, there are some resorts that can take you to Blizzard Beach, but you would also have to do, but if they don't, then you would have to do the same thing where you would have to go to Disney Springs, and then Disney Springs would take you to Blizzard Beach. So those are my 3 transportation tips. So tune in for more, and I'm wishing you guys sunshines and smiles. Have a grand day.